Hi everyone! I bought a box of plants of a particular genus that I think is so underrated. It seems that this plant hardly gets the spotlight. These days everyone is on about Hoyas, peperomias, and philodendrons, but this genus of plants is quickly becoming one of my favorites. So let's unbox them. So I bought this from the same online store as my first plant haul because I was pretty much pleased with their plants. Okay. So the first plant is, this one is the Syngonium Maria. All these plants are from the genus Syngoniums because I think they're fantastic but not very much talked about. So Syngonium number 2. Oh, is this the pink illusion? No, this is the Syngonium neon. They get this pink leaf. It's pink above. Syngonium number 3 is the Syngonium lime. So I tend to buy the small pots because I want to grow them, and they don't really deliver plants that are in big pots. So, and this one is Syngonium Roxanne. I was fascinated that it was rounder, or at least when it's young, it has a more round shape leaf, and then it becomes pointy as it grows. The fifth Syngonium. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. This is the Syngonium Pink Illusion. And this is the bigger Syngonium, which is my favorite out of all. It's in the biggest pot in here. And it's the Syngonium Red Arrow. Look how beautiful she is. What I love about this is it has a very dark green foliage on top and this like almost reddish or burgundy color underneath. I guess that's why they're called the red arrows. So I'm so excited to have all these Syngoniums. They're not at their best yet, but that's my job to make them their best that they can be. And I have this vision of a wall of Syngoniums. Look at this one. This plant was like yay big when I got it, and look, they are just growing immensely. Like, I've got a lot of plant babies. It's here. Very fast growers, and they, in contrast with other aroids, they generally like to be moist more. So how much did I pay for all these? So Syngonium Pink Illusion was 5. The Syngonium Maria was 4. Why am I putting them down? The Syngonium Roxanne is $4.50. Syngonium Neon, $4. And they're all in 2-inch pots except of this one. The Syngonium Lime was $5. And the Red Arrow was the most expensive of all, which is $16. But I think it was worth every penny. It's just so beautiful. So the total I paid for this is 37 euros. Including shipping, that would be 40 euros, which is not bad for 6 plants. So I put the Syngoniums in this bucket of water, just a little bit on the bottom so that they can all drink. Future Jay here. So in preparation for winter, I bunched all my Syngoniums together. Let's call this a Syngonium basket. Supposedly, bunching your plants together can help when humidity is low, but I guess we'll see if there's any truth to that. They're looking really pretty and I hope they stay that way until I repot them in spring. So let me know if you like Syngoniums at all or which one you like the most. Comment it down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Tap that like button if you liked the video. That helps me a lot, and consider subscribing for more plant videos. Take care and see you in the next one.